Hey, Spinks from QuietKat. In this video, we're going to go over the QuietKat system by Aeroe and the compatibility with our full suspension and hardtail e-bikes. So the QuietKat system is a great option for pannier bags on a full suspension bike. The reason that we didn't put an integrated rack on the full suspension bikes comes down to the mass on the sprung versus unsprung portions of the bike. Because of our full suspension nature, the rider, the frame, the motor, and the battery are all part of what we call the sprung mass, meaning it bounces up and down with the suspension. The wheels, the hubs, anything attached to the rear end, and then of course, same on the front, are all part of the unsprung mass, because that is the part that is down on the ground that is actually moving with the suspension as it goes through its travel. So if we put a whole lot of weight on the rear end of a full suspension bike, we're going to offset the balance between the sprung and unsprung mass. And this may cause some instability on rough terrain, when turning, and in other riding situations. So we recommend no more than 40 pounds on the rear end, which is why we have our QuietKat system that consists of these two bags by Aeroe that easily and quickly connect to the rack and to the pucks. So what you can see here is the puck attached to the rack, and on the bag you have got the inner end that can take that once we line it up, and then simple rotation and it locks into place. The bags quickly and easily connect to the bike, hence we call it the QuietKat. So for the full suspension models, we sell the QuietKat rack, which consists of this bar that goes up and over, and it comes with a puck on either side so that you can easily attach two bags. In addition, on top of the rack, you can place the spider. And the spider is a very versatile platform with a few straps so that you can lock down tents, sleeping bags, and other type of gear that may not fit in the bag itself. The QuietKat puck is also available for our hardtail bikes. On the 2022 and newer hardtail QuietKat bikes, we have an integrated rack, which consists of this lateral stabilizer here, which is the same 20 millimeter diameter as the QuietKat rack found on the full suspension frame. Therefore, our QuietKat puck easily attaches to that lateral stabilizer, and then you can quickly and easily connect the pannier bag to a hardtail bike. That's the QuietKat system by QuietKat, and we'll see you out on the trail.